how do I use orgone pyramids and where do I place them?
Okay, so orgone pyramids have a specific purpose. There's a reason why it's shaped like this, is because the way, as I mentioned before, orgonite functions is it takes the stray fields from the environment and converts it into beneficial energy. Orgone pyramids, the reason why they're shaped in the pyramid form is because they have special electrical properties. With the pyramid shape, all kinds of aura fields and electrical charges tend to interact on the apex. Also, the field that's emitted from orgone pyramids is in the form of, if you can imagine, a column of ions coming up from the tip up into the atmosphere or into your environment. So you can have these pyramids. We prefer, if you have 4 of them, to grid your property with pyramids. Now, the reason why you want to do that is if you're in an area that has a lot of air pollution, an area that has a lot of chemtrail activity, by having 4 pyramids grid your property, you're able to break up that chemtrail activity, not only above your home, but also in the neighborhood. We also suggest that you have 4 pyramids at least in your home. And what that does is, like all orgonite, emit soft electrons, negative ions, into your local environment, which is beneficial and also clears up some of the harmful effects of the wireless energy that's in your home that you can't avoid, like if you have while you have your wireless router on or while you're working on your desktop.